Good morning everyone. Welcome to My Dreams Academy and happy Ugadi to all of you. We are happy to announce that we are going to start one batch for assistant engineering. This will be useful for AP, Andhra Pradesh as well as Telangana state. Okay? That is assistant engineer notification will be coming soon. Because of that we are going to planning to start one new batch. Then we are going to see what is assistant engineering post and how many marks the distribution, how much the time of examination, that we are going to see now. Total assistant engineer examination, it will be in the post for TS Genco, that is generation company, and TS Transco, that is transmission company, and TS NPDCL and TS SPDCL. The recently TS SPDCL has announced there will be a notification for assistant engineering. So for that we are going to start a assistant engineering batch, and it consisting of total assistant engineering examination consisting of total 100 marks. Total 100 marks. This marks distribution will be like this: 80 marks for a technical and 20 marks for a non-technical. 80 marks for a technical, 20 marks for a non-technical. In this non-technical, it will be a aptitude and reasoning is a one topic, and another one is about Telangana and India, and another one is current affairs, and another one is computer knowledge, and like this it will be. From this you will get total 20 marks from this. Everything will be 4 to 5 marks, and one more thing, that is English. Okay, 4 to 5 marks, 4 to 5 marks, 4 to 5 marks, and this is also from 4 to 5 marks only. This is about non-technical subjects. Now coming to technical subjects, I am talking this about only electrical engineering. For ECE we will going to do one more video for that. For assistant engineer electrical syllabus, that is electrical circuits, another one is electrical machines, another one is electrical power systems, control systems, power electronics, and another one is signals and systems, and another one is mathematics. Next, measurements, it will be a analog or a digital. Okay, these are the topics, that is electrical circuits, electrical machines, electrical power systems and control systems, power electronics, signals and systems, maths, measurements, and one more topic is that is analog and digital electronics. Analog and digital electronics. This is the syllabus for a technical. Total technical consisting of 80 marks, non-technical consisting of 20 marks. From electrical circuit we are going to get 2 to 4 marks. It will be not a constant value, it will be vary according to exam to exam. Now electrical machines you will get to 5 to 10 marks. From this also you will get to 5 to 10 marks. Control system, from this you will get to 5 to 7 marks. Power electronics also you will get to 5 to 7 marks. Signals and system 2 to 4 marks. From maths 5 to 6 marks. From measurements you will get 5 to 7 marks. From analog and digital both combined 4 to 7 marks you will going to get. This is the marks distribution for assistant engineering technical topic. Now in Telangana as well as in Andhra Pradesh, this is one of the beautiful job profile. So anybody wants to prepare for this assistant executive engineer, we will be with you. That is My Dream Academy will be with you. For any queries you can contact the number given below. Thank you all.